Hi everyone, I got my second Dior boutique or second fashion item that is in my wish list, and I want to share with you a couple of items that I added in my wardrobe for spring. Are you guys ready? I am very excited to share this with you. It is not a true unboxing because I already unboxed it. That's how excited I was to check this out, but you could guess what is it, and I think by the size of this box you probably know what it is. So I will not gonna keep you waiting. Let's get started with my second Dior wish list item, and it came, like I've said, I've already unboxed it. Came with the star charm as usual, super cute. It adds that, you know, luxury touch, and a thinner ribbon, which I actually love because I've already bought a lot of material for a DIY project, and I think this one is going to be perfect, and I'll share with you what I will do very soon, probably after my vacation. We're gonna have vacation very soon, and after that, you know, summer's coming. It's gonna be hopefully not hectic kind of summer, you know, a much easier summer, so we could do a lot of DIY together. All right, I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let me show you what I got here. Are you guys ready? Here we go. So here it is, and yes, if you watch my wish list video, if not, I'll share it with you in the comments below and in the description, so you'll see maybe some inspiration. Maybe you would love some items for yourself as well. So here it is, the Cannage card holder. Very cute. Love the tricolor. So we have here a very soft powder pink, which I'm into, like, I mean, you could tell with my top right now, and a little darker shade of pink and the white. I think the color combination is so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful to look at. Here we go. So we have 1, 2 slots in the front, same on the back, and the top compartment come with a card that says that this is a certified product from Dior, and it has this charm which you will see on most Miss Dior product line. So super cute. Is this a splurge? Yes, it is. Do I love it? I love it so much. I am very excited to use this, and for me, you know, I don't have a lot of small letter goods, so it will get a lot of use. Right now I'm only using one card holder, and it only has 3 slots in total, so this one will be a lot better. So there you have it. I saved a little bit for getting this here in Alberta, Edmonton, because the US Canadian dollar conversion rate is really good, so I save a little bit of money, and also our tax here is only 5%. So in case you are visiting a friend or family in Alberta, Canada, and you want some Dior items, maybe check the website, see what you could get, and ship it to your friend or family. That way it will be cheaper. So there you have it. If it's your first time here and you're not subscribed yet, you love Dior beauty, you love fashion, beauty, and great finds, this will be a great channel for you. I hope you subscribe and we could share a lot of beautiful things together. All right, let me show you a couple more things I recently got. And for the next item that I just added in my closet, actually it's my husband who bought this. This is a Jacquemus hat, and I'm very excited to use this spring and summer. He got it at Essence. It was on sale, and I think after the US dollar conversion it was only like about $75. So I thought it's such a great buy, and I love that the Jacquemus logo right there. I don't know if you could see it. It's very subtle. Love the beige color, and this is, by the way, leather. So, you know, it rains here, and this will be a cute cover for my head when it rains, because you know it's leather, so it's waterproof, easy to clean as well. So let me know what you think. I thought, you know, I don't really wear a hat like this one. This is the very first hat that I bought that in this style, but I thought it'll work great. Let me know what you think. And last item, a recent purchase from The Real Real, and I am very excited about this. If you've been watching my videos, some of my fashion related videos, I've mentioned a lot that I am so into burgundy, red, and blacks. For this year, I think it's my power color for the year. Of course, in addition to light pink and powder blue. And I found these on The Real Real, and I love it. I got them on size 7. This is from Bally, and they are very comfortable, super cute. They have some use for sure, but I only paid, I think after the discount that I got, I only paid like less than $20 or $20 for this. So I think it's a great buy. I have another shoes that's very similar. I'll show you. These are my Ferragamo pumps. I love this. However, I can only wear these on cold weather. So like Christmas party or some parties or occasions during the winter. It is because it is mesh. So this is an FYI for all of you guys. If you're looking to buy a mesh kind of shoes, they don't stretch. There's no give to these shoes. So if you wear them in the summer, which I did when 2 years ago, I helped my best friend to buy her wedding gown. It was hot that day, and I think, you know, we were walking downtown and my foot swelled. My feet hurt. So just for your information, you know, mesh shoes look so classy, cute, but if you're gonna do a lot of walking and if your feet tend to swell, they are not great. But I love them, but they're only for winter and special occasion when I don't need to do a lot of walking. But now I have these, very happy. They're super comfortable. And you know what I like about buying pre-loved shoes is that they're already been stretched, and so when you use them, they're comfortable. Of course, you will have to disinfect them, spray them. I already sprayed them, but overall I think these are a great buy. I don't know about you guys, but once in a while I love looking at the pre-loved market, especially The Real Real and eBay, and whenever I find something I really like and affordable, I'll go for it. And just for a quick reference of my current card case, I love this card case. It's beautiful, love the color. When I bought this, I am very much into green, and I love this gradient color. You see that it fades from dark to light, from top to bottom. Love these very delicate hardware. So this is from Cartier, and even though it only has 3 slots in total, you could put a lot. As you can see, I could put maximum 2 in front, 2 in back, and like 4 inside here. But now that I have here, I could at least, you know, have an alternative, and I feel like I could still use them at the same time. For example, we're traveling, we have Nexus cards, so I could put all the document kind of card here and all the spending card on this one. So, and they're very slim, so especially me, I carry small bag. Like, I don't like carrying big bags, you know, unless I really need to. But for me, this is like the typical size of a bag I use. So card cases are perfect. So, and this is going to be worth it, you know, because it's gonna have a lot of use. So there you have it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment what you think about my new card holder from Dior. What do you think about buying pre-loved items? And if you want to share your recent purchase with me, I would love to hear what you got. Thanks again for sticking with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.